Hi Kirby fans, so today we're going to do a time-lapse, strip down and build up of a Sentria 2. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as I said in today's video, we're going to be doing a bit of a time lapse. This is just something that was requested if I could do a time lapse of a strip down and build all in one. So I thought I'd quickly do that. I was going to do this as a tutorial, but we'll put it as a time lapse first. And if anyone wants a tutorial, I will break it down into a tutorial for you. So comment down below if you want the step-by-step tutorial on how to strip down and refurbish your Sentria 2 or Kirby. Now don't forget, everything I use in the videos today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, so make sure you check those out. And what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Right, so the tools you're going to need to take this apart is obviously a Torx 10, which is for the two little screws on here, which I'll show you as I go. You're going to need a Torx 20 and a Torx 15, and those are basically all you need. If you're changing your fan, you're going to need a 9mm spanner. And this is for the generations only. There is a special tool for the earlier models, but for any generation series or Avalir, you'll need a 9mm spanner to actually change the fan, unless it comes undone with these. So what we'll do is we'll jump into it now.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. We got something good. feels so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick time lapse of me stripping that Kirby down and putting it back together. It's running absolutely awesome. So if you want a bit more in-depth tutorial, then make sure you comment down below and I can put that video as a tutorial for anybody who wants it. Now don't forget everything I used in the video today. There are links in the description below. Also to the music that I used, which is Epidemic Sound. So if you follow the link below, you can get a 3 months trial of that music. So make sure you check those out. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content and contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers and I'll catch you next one. So to the music I use, which is Epidemic, make sure you comment down below if you want the set price. If you want, I will record for that. Right, so enjoy that quick time lapse, literally. Right, so enjoy that.